Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesaria Textile Company. In today's video, I am showcasing you some of the amazing collections, in particular Western trendy collection guys. Yeah, any of the varieties you want to be like, then please have the screenshot and send to screen available number. All the language sales executive person we are having here, there will be not having any kind of the language barrier guys. Yeah, so if you are having any kind of the doubts about our company, then you can be free and frank to call the screen available number. And apart from that, I'm showcasing one of the collections. See, first collections I'm starting with. See guys, this will be the varieties I'm going to showcasing you. Upon that, you will be getting these kind of the beautifully sequenced work and beautifully zeried work you want to be getting here on the neck of the varieties. See guys, how beautiful it was this, and all the sizes and taste preferences you will be getting here, like XL, double XL, triple XL, all the sizes. In particular, one designs you will be getting 20 to 25 different sets also. If you want to be getting 100 pieces also, then also that also you going to be provide you, no need to worry that about the product. And apart from that, along with this dupatta also you will be getting here. See guys, this will be the plain kind of dupatta you will be getting here on the both the sides of this kind of the samosa lace kind of concepts you want to be getting here on the whole work of the border of the dupatta guys. See, in these kind of the varieties. And apart from that, if you're going to be getting these kind of the varieties in particular, like I have to show in the fancy and the occasional party wear kind of concepts, then this one for you guys. See how beautiful it was. This beautifully zeried work, and some of the beautifully zeried buttas work are also very well attached in the whole body of the kurti. See how beautiful it was. And apart from that, many of the varieties in these kind of the concepts in particular. See guys, sleeves also the same exact designs we will be getting here. And I want to say that this will be the bottom wear you want to be getting here. See, this will be the bottom concepts. See, the same exact product will be delivered here. And apart from that, contrasting designing like these kind of the beautiful dupatta also you want to be getting here with the golden zaried work. And apart from that, these kind of the concepts you will be getting here. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting guys in each of our designs. Like I have to say, like this will be the designs you will be getting here. See, different colors with the 4 kind of sets or the 5 kind of sets or the 6 kind of the sets or the 7, 8, 10, that kind of the sets product you will be getting in each of our variety. Next also, you will be getting these kind of the variety. See guys, this will be the concepts on the both the edge of the sides with the beautiful sequenced work. See guys. And if you're noticing the designing in the sleeves, that's also very well matched here with the sequenced pattern. And apart from that, in this you will be getting bottom wear also. See guys, this will be the bottom wear. And apart from that, this will be the these will be the beautiful dupatta, plain dupatta concepts you will be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was. And if you want to be getting some of the English kind of light tone colors, then this one for you guys. See guys, how beautiful and modern and westernized kurtis you will be getting. See how beautiful it was. Beautifully silver zaried work and the beautifully stone work you will be getting here. See guys, how beautiful it was. And apart from that, in this you will be getting in these kind of the concept. See guys, beautiful bottom wear also you will be getting here. The same contrasting design, but on the fabric of the net you will be getting in these kind of the awesome design. See yes, in these kind of the beautiful awesome designs you will be getting here on the cutting border kind of concepts and varieties you will be getting here. See, and guys, if you want to purchase, then have the screenshot and send to screen available number. See guys, these are the concepts you will be getting. This will be the bottom wear and this will be the dupatta. Contrasting designing dupatta guys. You can be matching on the proper designed work also in the kurtis also and on the dupatta also. So guys, in this video that's all. Many of the varieties you watched and viewed, and apart from that, any of the concepts you want to be like, please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।